I was 45 years old and I was diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer, and I was given less than 2 years to live. So I had 174 chemo treatments, 8 months of chemo pills, radiation therapy, and 5 surgeries. And at the end of 5 grueling years of fighting, miraculously, I went into remission. So in my case, I went into very sudden menopause. So I was 45 years old and very healthy, and then all of a sudden I was in menopause. And I began having very frequent urinary tract infections. Sexual relations were painful and then eventually non-existent. So after I went into remission, I began thinking about how much cancer had stolen from me and how I really needed to work at getting my life back, because I did feel like I'd lost 5 years of my life. I'd lost my self-confidence, I'd lost my femininity, and I'd lost my intimacy with my husband. So that's why for me it was really important to see what was out there and what I could do in order to get that back, in order to become the person that I was before I got the cancer diagnosis, and in order to show my husband and even to show myself that I was the woman that I used to be, regardless of the fact that I'd had cancer. When I came to Vic Park, automatically I had chemistry with the technician, and she actually said to me, "Do you feel comfortable with me? Do you think that you will be able to do this with me?" Which I thought was really appropriate, because there was a concern not just about what the treatment was going to be like, but how I as an individual was going to feel, because this is something that's very intimate. So I really appreciated that. And then coming into an environment that is beautiful and spotless, and people are treating you with such openness, for me was something that really meant a lot, because I did come here being quite nervous. And so I really appreciated the fact that everybody was so open and understanding. What I really appreciated about the procedure was that the technician explained to me clearly before she even started what to expect. And she also explained to me that during the procedure, we could stop if I was beginning to feel uncomfortable. So I really did feel as though I was in control from the very beginning, which is important. The procedure itself was very quick. It was not painful at all. And I think also the fact that I knew that at the end of this, something very positive was going to occur helped make the procedure that much easier for me. I feel wonderful. I feel like the woman I was before I even heard that I had cancer. I'll be honest with you, I feel sexual. And that has brought my husband and I together to a point that we thought we would never have again. So the romance is back, he's comfortable, I'm comfortable, there's no more concern about pain, and it's just had such an incredible impact on a relationship that was already great, but it's brought the relationship back to what it was before I had the cancer diagnosis.